Tell me a little bit about yourself. What is your professional background?
I was trained as a lawyer. I went to Fresno State College, California State University at Fresno, and then went to the University of California, Hastings College of the Law, and became a prosecutor. I worked for a short period of time at a personal injury firm before deciding that was not what I wanted to do, and I became a prosecutor. Became Chief of Homicide for the District Attorney's Office and did nothing but major felony prosecution, homicides, capital cases, and then became a Municipal Court Judge at a very early age. I was 32, and then began teaching at the State Judicial College at Berkeley, teaching other new judges. Became an expert in death penalty litigation, training judges as to how to handle death penalty litigation and sentencing and evidence, and then became a Superior Court Judge, continued teaching, and then an appellate court judge, and then lastly, Presiding Justice of the 5th District Court of Appeal, which covers all of Central California. Set by assignment on the Supreme Court of California. You know, that's essentially my legal career, obviously more complex than that. I was a judge for 30 years. Why did I go to law school? That's an interesting question. I started out to go to medical school, and I was a pre-med major, science major. I loved also writing and history, but my focus was on science. But I had to work in order to go to school, and I was a janitor in a hospital, and I had a full-time job, so I would go to school in the morning, then I would go to work at 12:30, and I would work till 9 o'clock, working in the hospital as a janitor and as an orderly, and then I would come home and study. Then I met this girl. It got to be really hard to keep up with the study, getting ready to go to medical school, and working, and a girlfriend, and so I kind of decided, well, I can't do all this stuff. So I thought about what I wanted to do and what I was good at, and I decided I would go to law school, and I did. I sometimes wonder about, the decision to go to law school as opposed to sticking to the decision to go to medical school, but it's been a great career. Learned a lot. It's been good to me, my family. But I probably regret a little bit not going to medical school.